The future of networking and CRM, building stronger business connections. People have always done business on the back of relationships. You can trace every deal, every handshake, back to trust built over time. It's rarely just the product on the table, it's who you know and how you stay connected. But that picture keeps changing. Sure, the handshake is still there, the business card still slides across the table. Yet now it competes with LinkedIn requests, Zoom calls that blur time zones, and CRMs that quietly keep score of every email or call. It's not just old habits getting dragged onto the internet. Networking feels different now, more deliberate, kind of non-stop, and honestly, a little numbers obsessed. And CRMs? They're not those clunky address books anymore. They dig up leads, give you a nudge when you've forgotten to follow up, and save the tiny conversations you'd normally lose. Because let's be real, nobody remembers all that on their own. Where things are heading is less about one replacing the other and more about blending. Tech gives structure, humans give trust. Together, they create the kind of connections that actually last, turning contacts into lasting relationships. Trends are nice to talk about, but they only matter if they change how we actually act. It's one thing to nod along when someone says, networking is digital now. It's another thing entirely when you're standing there, shaking hands, or swapping LinkedIn links with someone new. That first chat? It's just the opener. What matters?
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.
Is everything that comes after. The quick email, the follow-up coffee, the small, hey, thought of you when I saw this message. That's the stuff that either builds trust or lets the connection fade out quietly. And let's be honest, it's not luck. It's habits. Little ones you keep up. Plus, a few tools that stop people from slipping through the cracks, jotting notes, saving details properly, remembering to circle back when it counts. The goal isn't to treat networking like a one-off box to tick. It's to treat it like an investment. Do it right, and those small moves stack up into relationships that actually last. Lead with value, not your pitch. Nothing shuts down a chat faster than jumping straight into a pitch. Nobody walks into a networking event thinking, can't wait to get sold to in the first 5 seconds. They just want to meet someone who feels human. So flip it. Ask something real. Share a quick tip, a story, or even an industry nugget they might not know. Doesn't have to be big. Just enough to spark a back and forth. That little shift makes the whole thing feel less like a sales move and more like an actual conversation. Here's the funny part. When you stop pushing your agenda, people get curious. They'll turn it around and ask what you do. And when they do, they'll actually be listening, not just waiting for you to stop talking. That's when your expertise lands naturally, without the hard sell. Make it easy to share your details. Here's a simple networking win: don't make it hard for people to keep your info. Paper cards? They're still around, but most of them end up bent, lost, or forgotten. You've probably got a few sitting in a drawer right now. A QuickScan QR code business card solves that. No typos, no awkward, how do you spell that again, moments. Just a scan and it's saved. Done. It sounds small, but it matters. Your details don't vanish into the void, and it shows you're not stuck in 2005. You're using the tools people actually rely on today. And really, follow-ups only happen if someone can find you again. Make it simple. Make it smooth. That tiny handoff could be the difference between another forgotten intro and a connection that actually goes somewhere.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.